Well, my friends, this is December 26, 10. Incredible whiteout here with the snow. Under a blizzard warning and everything. This could be the biggest snowstorm we've had here since 1/23/05. That's, by the way, the 25th birthday of my good T-Storm buddy named Chris Hayes, who lives in Kenton, Ohio. He's videotaped some lightning, thunder, and even tornadoes. Actually, he's on YouTube also. That was his 25th birthday today. We had that last huge blizzard. This one here can easily match that. We could easily muster up a good 15 or even 20 inches of snow when this is all said and done. Yeah, incredible. Whiteout condition. Yeah, incredible, man. Quite a change from 5 months ago. We were complaining about the heat and humidity. Well, certainly don't have to worry about high dew points right now, unless you're about 4,000 miles to our south. Okay. Incredible. Wow. Real whiteout now. Okay.